does M stand for in our SMART goals? Hello and welcome back. This is our journey of resolution mastery. How to achieve our goals and heart desires without giving up. In the previous video, we talked about the first letter S, and it stands for specific. And as specific as we are, as better, because this gives us clarity and motivates us to know what really we are after in our goals. The second letter we are looking into in this video is M, and stands for measurement. All of the goals we are setting, in order to be able to fulfill them, they have to be measurable. In other words, we have to be able to measure them. Any measurable goal is the one that has a specific criteria or indicators that helps us to track progress and evaluate the outcome. In other words, first of all, we have to be aware of what success look for me in this goal. How do I know that I have achieved the goal? There should be a finish line of my goal. There should be some kind of outcome, a result that I know this is what I'm after. This is the result. This is the outcome. This is the way I will know that I'm successful in my goal. For that reason, we have to be really specific in our indicators. We should know what the success look like for us. For example, if I wanted to be fit and I want to use running as a tool, just running will not help me, will it? But having a goal, specific, measurable goal, like I wanted to run 5K and until the end of April, for example, this is absolutely measurable. I can track the progress. I can track all the process. I can really see where I am. Gives me clarity, and clarity is power. And this is really important for us to put the numbers. There is different types of quantitative matrix we can use, and these are numbers, and the numbers are really good tool just to combine and put together for our goals. Just to know, for example, if I wanted to earn more money, it's not just enough to say I want more money. What does that mean? How do you know what actually the success of this goal is if I don't put some kind of a indicator, some kind of a measurement? If I say I want to earn additional £5,000 till the end of May, this is different because you have a measure, you have a number, and gives you focus and motivates you to keep going. And after that, you can track process, which is really, really important. You may know, okay, I'm doing well. I have additional 1,000 for this month. I will have additional 2,000 next month, and it's easy to track. Something else, you can also quantitate the value of what you're offering. For example, if you want to improve your life, your relationships, you can have your feedback, which is the quality. You can see how this goes. You can have, again, some kind of a number. But generally speaking, the measurements are really important for us to be focused and just to be clear what we want. And I want to really share something personal with you. For example, my personal goal for these 12 months is to create 3 training programs, which are personal development programs. And this is the first one. So it's easy for me to track. It's easy for me to really measure where I am up to. Is there anything I need to achieve? And for example, I'm doing the first one and I'm going there, and knowing what you want, having a number, it really helps to measure and to keep your focus on what you want to accomplish. So the first thing, just to revise all we were talked in this video, is first of all, know what your success look like. Know what the outcome of your goal look like. Is it £5,000 additional in your bank account? 5K you want to run, or you want to maybe create, like me, something new, 3 courses, for example, in the next 12 months. Put a number, and this will really help us to track, measure, and really evaluate the outcome of our goal. When we are specific, when we put measures, it's really make it worth. It make it clear and helps to boost our motivation. In the next video, we will be looking into the next letter of the acronym SMART, and it's A. What does it stand for, A? We will see in the next video. Thank you for your time. See you soon. Bye.